What are the best affiliate programs for beginners? Affiliate programs, also called associate programs, offer a third party platform that allows individuals and brands to find and work with each other. Both parties sign up for the platform, discuss a collaboration, and start to work together. Affiliate programs work by letting individuals or businesses create a profile on their platform and choose the brand they want to promote. The programs generate a unique link that affiliates can share with their site visitors, customers, and social media followers. When someone clicks the link and purchases from the brand, the affiliate receives a commission. 1. Amazon Associates, top choice for retail and shopping affiliates. Amazon Associates has been one of the top affiliate programs for beginners since 1996. In fact, it was the first online affiliate marketing program in the world. Since its inception, it's been helping online marketers make money by advertising to the millions of customers that shop on Amazon each year. When an Amazon affiliate shares a link that leads to a sale, they earn referral fees from the transaction. Commission rate anywhere from 1% to 20% depending on product type. 2. ClickBank, one of the oldest affiliate programs out there. With a history dating back to 1998, ClickBank is another grandparent affiliate network. One of the most remarkable business stories ever told is that of two friends who started the company in their garage and turned it into one of the world's most profitable companies with annual revenues of more than $3 billion. 25-year history, it's an excellent option for getting started no matter your expertise. With tons of products to promote and a wide variety of companies to partner with, it's hard to pass up. Commission rate between 50% and 70% on average. 3. eBay Partner Network, the most flexible product and service options. We won't bore you with a lengthy history of eBay because everyone knows what it is already. What began as a method for people to clear out their garages and make a few money has evolved into a global marketing platform for individuals and large corporations alike. The vast majority of the 1.4 billion listings on eBay are for new products. It's more than just a platform to sell your used stuff. Even if Amazon is a good choice for newcomers, few consider eBay's affiliate program as an option. 4. Commission Junction, leading name brand affiliate program. As one of the oldest affiliate networks out there, CJ Affiliate, previously known as Commission Junction, is one I have been using since 2002. What sets CJ Affiliate apart from Amazon is that it focuses on both big and small brands and providers alike. The commission rates vary from merchant to merchant, but you can always expect a decent payout on the platform. The companies they represent include Zappos, Walgreens, and Verizon, as well as Under Armour, TripAdvisor, and Staples, to name a few, as well as roughly 2,473 other affiliate marketing programs. 5. Impact, ideal for affiliates looking for instant approval. To be fair, it is not as ancient as the likes of ClickBank and ShareASale, but it is a major affiliate marketing network nonetheless, despite its claim to the contrary. Here are several well-known brands on Impact such as Adidas, Airbnb, and HSBC, much as on other major networks. Over 2,517 firms were advertising on the network at the time of writing, with more joining on a daily basis. Not to mention you can earn up to 30% per sale. 6. Aveen, great for affiliates who want to promote payments. Aveen has more than 16,500 advertisers and 225,000 publishers at the time, making it the largest affiliate network in the world. Awin is home to a slew of household names including Emirates HC and Under Armour, among others. My favorite aspect of Awin as an affiliate marketer, on the other hand, is its dedication to expedite payouts. The majority of Awin's affiliate programs offer expedited payments, and you will get paid regardless of when the advertiser pays Awin. 7. Rakuten Advertising. A great alternative or add-on to your eBay and Amazon affiliations. Rakuten is a Japanese affiliate marketing service provider that you may not be familiar with. When they purchased Linkshare in 2005, they got their foot in the door of the affiliate marketing landscape. Rakuten Linkshare has gone from being a little player in the market to consistently receive honors. Why do they work so well for affiliates who are just starting out? 8. ShareASale. Great for affiliates looking to make around $300 on average per referral. It's safe to say that ShareASale is one of the most underrated affiliate networks out there. If you are looking for some of the top affiliate programs out there, look no further. There is a range of $300 to $350 for each sale. 9. HC Affiliate. The top choice for any affiliate who wants to promote handmade products. The HC Affiliate program is a combination of affiliate marketing and advertising. There have been some issues with overseas manufacturers trying to claim a foothold in the marketplace because the products sold through the site are manufactured by individual craftsmen, vintage dealers, and artists. 10. Affiliates. The best choice for global affiliate marketers. Affiliates is a great choice for any marketer looking to make a global impact. It lets you reach a wide range of markets. With this huge range of products and deals, it's easier to choose what works best for you and your business. It also comes with a dedicated affiliate manager to assist you to optimize traffic and designing a special bonus scheme to maximize your earning potential if accepted into the program. Plus, their referral program adds an extra 4% to your payout.